how to change Facebook account to page. Now this is a very easy tutorial, so if you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments and let's get started. Well, what you simply want to do is go to your profile. So I just clicked on there and I currently have just a regular profile, private account. So I'll be showing how that looks like. If I go to view as, it looks like that, right? My name, add, friend, message, blah, blah, blah. Now, how can we actually turn this into a sort of like page? Well, what you want to do is click on the three dots. Then at the bottom, you can see turn on professional mode. Once you click on there, this is how it will look like. If you click on turn on, you just have to wait a bit. And then you can see all this, but I'll just go back. And nothing really looks like it changed. But if I now go to view as, it currently says message and follow. So I've sort of like changed my own account to a page because there's now a follow button instead of an add friend button. And my profile is now a digital creator instead of just a regular profile. So that is basically what you want to do. It's not like you can literally change it to a page like this right over here. So it isn't like exactly 100% a page, but it's basically the same. So if you were looking for how to add a follow button to your page, this is kind of like the only way it is possible nowadays, because you can't actually do that anymore with a page, I believe. So yeah, that is basically it. I hope this video helps you out. Let me know in the comments if it did, and then I will see you next time.